Put on your party hats. This quiz is all about historical birthday facts. Since 1999, Ocean Park Theme Park and Conservation Center in Hong Kong, China has celebrated giant pandas' birthdays with A. Ice cakes filled with sweet potato, carrots, and bamboo leaves. B. Haystack cakes filled with gummy bears. C. Red velvet cakes topped with cream cheese icing. Answer A. The pandas are given ice cakes. Sheets of ice are filled with sweet potato, carrots, and bamboo leaves for the animals to enjoy. Since 1917, the royal family in the UK has been sending out birthday cards to every UK citizen when they reach this age. A. 10. B. 100. C. 50. Answer B. The royal family sends personalized cards to UK citizens celebrating their 100th birthday, 105th birthday, and every year after. Birthday celebrations originated in ancient Egypt around this time. A. 3000 BCE. B. 2005. C. 1876. Answer A. Ancient Egyptians started this tradition to mark a pharaoh's coronation. It was meant to celebrate their birth as a god, instead of their actual birth date. Which genius historical figure was born on Pi Day, March 14th? A. Ada Lovelace. B. Albert Einstein. C. Isaac Newton. Answer B. Albert Einstein was born on March 14th, 1879 in Germany. Einstein developed the theory of relativity and won the 1921 Nobel Prize in Physics. The melody for the Happy Birthday song was originally created in 1893, but before it was given this name, it was entitled A. For He's a Jolly Good Fellow. B. Ring Around the Rosie. C. Good Morning to All. Answer C. The original title of the Happy Birthday song was Good Morning to All and was created by sisters Patty and Mildred Hill. When did Owl magazine celebrate 50 years of the magazine? A. 2022. B. 2026. C. 2030. Answer B. Owl magazine was launched in 1976. It turned 50 in 2026.